it's me, Sushreeya. And today I want to talk about something that's like a very big problem for our Earth. And this can affect many things, especially as humans. And this affects whatever and however we get our health. This can also cause colder seasons for winter and longer pollen seasons, which causes a lot of allergies. What is this? Global warming! But this is not a good cause. We have to try stopping it. But let's see what are the main problems and how it affects us. There are a lot of polluted air, and especially in urban fashions. To say urban fashions, or to be understanding clear, urban areas have a lot of polluted air. And there are where most people live. And we think, oh, a city, there's like so much polluted air. But it's actually not that. A global warming can do in 1 second from one corner to another in a snap of your hand, which is a very big problem. So, and it's an invisible thing. And because it's invisible, we have logically decided to ignore it. This is not right. If we ignore it, by the 22nd century, there is going to be very big problems. And our Earth is going to have a very big rise in heat, which is mainly what is global warming, the long-term rise of heat temperatures. But now you're asking me, I hear, how does the Earth get its temperature rising? Well, my friends, this effect is called the greenhouse effect. You can see that being shown right in the middle here. You can see this is our plain Earth. Black causes air pollutants, and this is mainly because of burning fossil fuels in the industries, which is not so good because that also causes polluted air. Then you can see the orange, radiations, and the sun. The sun, our bright old sun, gives us great heat. Well now, not so great heat, because these air pollutants also get to travel out in space. Some examples could be methane, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. And even water vapor is now a big thing there. And these are trapping the sun's heat. And because the heat can't escape, it's just getting our Earth warmer. But also, if we also go to think about it, what are our main sources that we need to survive? Well, I can think of water, I can think of food and air. Well, food, we eat 1 kg a day, you and me. We both have water, 2 kgs. Now think about how much polluted and good air we have to breathe. Is that sort of hard? That's 10 times more, 20 kgs of air. And I can tell you more than half of that is polluted air. So this is really not so good. And I can even tell you breathing polluted air is way more dangerous itself than having to be smoking cigarettes, marijuana, and also even poor diet and diabetes. So you could see millions of deaths per year. Which is more, breathing polluted air or smoking? Well, 7 million people, I can tell you 7 million people die every year for breathing polluted air. But for at least smoking cigarettes, way less. 6 million people die each year for smoking. So now you can see how breathing polluted air has become a major thing. And I can tell you, yes, polluted air does happen to be some natural, like volcanoes, but a lot of it is mankind, and we need to stop this. And now this is spreading everywhere. We could take some really common places in Europe, London, Paris, and Athens. Months of deaths per year in these 3 places are very severe. In London, at least it's okay. It's 3 months, and people die a lot. For Paris, it's half a year. And now for Athens, if we go to Athens, it's 1 year. So we could say many of this is because of industrial uses. Now, I'm not saying we have to stop industrial uses. I'm just saying we have to make something out of our industrial uses. And mainly all of this industrial uses is because of fossil fuels. So in our next video, keep looking and be tuned. We are going to be talking about some great ideas for stopping the heat incoming in our Earth. And we'll think of some excellent ideas to save our Earth, because if the Earth is healthy and shining, we will too. So stay tuned for my next video and my next part of global warming to see some great solutions that will help us calm down global warming. See you guys. Bye. global warming and go green.